British teen scenes. Many of today's teenage subcultures are all about living your life in your own way. Many different groups of teenagers express themselves through their clothing and free time activities. The skaters. As the name suggests, skaters spend as much time as possible on a skateboard. On Saturday after breakfast, they text, "See you down the skate park," to their friends, grab their boards and go. Even when they're not skating, they're talking about it or watching skateboarding videos online. They don't like designer clothes. Clothes have to be loose to let them skate comfortably. Casual, long-sleeved and short-sleeved t-shirts, sometimes both at the same time, hoodies, baggy jeans and trainers. They don't usually let their hair grow very long. Their music tends to be loud and fast, punk, hip-hop and sometimes metal. Besides skateboarding, they like hanging out with other skaters and playing computer games. The Techies. Techies live and breathe computers, science and technology. They are the nerds and geeks of the old days, but they are more popular now because they can fix any problem their friends have with their computers and smartphones. These whiz kids are as happy chatting online as in person, though most of their conversation is impossible for the average person to understand. Glasses are common, probably from all the time they spend staring at a screen. You won't see techies wearing formal clothing. Clothes are generally jeans and a t-shirt, perhaps with a cool science design or a funny slogan like, "Don't trust atoms, they make up everything." Fashion's not a big deal for them though, unless it's the latest gadget. That's a must-have.